Hello students, we were doing our chapter Heron's formula and today I will discuss question number 4 and question number 5 of your exercise 12.2. So our question number 4 is a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm and the parallelogram stand on the base 28 cm, find the height of the parallelogram. So in this question, sides of a triangle are given and it is given that a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base, okay, and same area. So base of a parallelogram is also given and we have to find height of the parallelogram. So firstly we will find area of triangle by Heron's formula, and after finding area of that given triangle we will find height of the parallelogram, because area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram. And what is area of parallelogram? That is equals to base into height, and base is equals to given 28 cm and we have to find its height. So base into height equals to area. So area will be equals to area of triangle. So base into height equals to area. So height is equals to area upon base. So firstly we will find area of triangle, and area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram. This is given in the question. For a triangle, A is equals to 26 cm, B is equals to 28 cm and 3 is equals to 30 cm. These sides are given in the question. So we will find its area by Heron's formula. Area is equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equals to semi-parameter. So S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. That is equals to 26 plus 28 plus 30 upon 2. And this is equals to 42 centimeter. So area is equals to square root of 42 into 42 minus 26 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 30 centimeter square. Now we will solve this. 42 into 16 into 14 into 12 centimeter square. Students, now we have to find square root of this. So we will solve this. We can write 42 as 14 into 3, because 14 into 3 equals to 42, and you know that square root of 16 is 4. So we will put it as it is. 14 and 12, we will write 12 as 3 into 4 centimeter square. Now we will make their pairs. 14 into 14, 3 into 3, 4 into 16 centimeter square. Now we will find its square root. So square root of 14 into 14 equals to 14, square root of 3 into 3 is equals to 3, and square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 16 is 4 centimeter square. So 14 into 3 into 2 into 4, and that is equals to 336 centimeter square. This is simple way to find its square root. You can find its square root in your way. Firstly, multiply all these quantities and then find its square root. Then you find area of this triangle equals to 336 centimeter. And we know that a base of a parallelogram is equals to 28 centimeter. This is given in the question. And let height equals to h. So area of parallelogram equals to base into height, and area is equals to area of triangle, and that is equals to 336 centimeter square. According to question, this is given in the question. So base into height, base is equals to 28 centimeter into height, that is equals to 336 centimeter square. So height is equals to 336 upon 28 centimeter. So height is equals to 20 centimeter. Therefore the height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeter. So this is your question number 4. Firstly, I find area of triangle, that is equals to 336 centimeter, and now we have to find height of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle. This is given in the question. So area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So area is equals to base into height, and base is given 28 centimeter. Then we find its height by the formula area upon base. Okay students. Now question number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. In each side of the rhombus, if each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? A rhombus shaped field is given and its each side is of 30 meter, okay, and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, and this area is for 18 cows, and we have to find area of each cow. So firstly we will find total area, and after finding total area we will find area for one cow to graze. So this is a rhombus shaped field and its each side is of 30 meter and its longer diagonal is of 48 meter. Let ABCD is a rhombus shaped field. Firstly, to find its area, firstly I will find area of this triangle and then I find area of this triangle. Students, this is a rhombus and its each side is equal 30 centimeter, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, and its diagonal is of 48 meter. So area of this triangle will be equals to area of this triangle because sides are same, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, and this is common side 48 meter. So I will find area of one triangle, and then to find area of this rhombus I will multiply area of one triangle by 2. Then I will get area of this rhombus. So for triangle BCD, firstly I will find area of this triangle. Area of triangle BCD, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, and A is equals to 48 meter, B is equals to 30 meter, and C is equals to 30 meter. So S is equals to 48 plus 30 upon 2, that is equals to 54 meter. Now area of triangle BCD equals to square root of 54 into 54 into 4 minus 48 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 30 meter square, and that is equals to 54 into 6 into 24 into 24 meter square. Then to solve this, 54 can be written as 9 into 6 and 6 as it is 24 into 24 meter square. Now square root of 9 is 3, square root of 6 into 6 is 6, square root of 24 into 24 is 24 meter square. So when I multiply 3 into 4 into 24, then I get 432 meter square. This is area of this triangle, 432 meter square. So area of this triangle will be equals to area of this triangle 432. So area of this field equals to 2 into area of triangle BCD, because area of these two triangles is equal. So area of this rhombus is equals to 2 into area of this triangle BCD. 2 into 432 meter square, that is equals to 864 meter square. So total area of this field is equals to 864 meter square, and this area is for 18 cows for grazing. So area for grazing for one cow, this area 864 meter square is for 18 cows. So area for grazing for one cow equals to 864 upon 18 meter square, and when I divide 864 by 18, then I get 48 meter square. So each cow will get 48 meter square area of grass field. Okay students, try to solve question number 3 of your book, and if you have any problem then tell me. I will discuss that question in my next video.